especially the way BJP uses Hinduism is against the interests of women. If a woman doesn't wear a bindi, they have mounted a campaign to say this is against Hindu values. If you see a woman wearing jeans in today's modern world, there are chief ministers who have commented that this is anti-Hindu. Members of the larger Sangh Parivar have entered a restaurant in Karnataka and beat up women because they were in a restaurant in the evening deciding to eat or drink what they want. They said this is against Hindu values. This imposition by some thekedars of what Hinduism is something against the interests of Hindus. The BJP actually is against the interests of Hindus. Do Hindus want endless social instability? Do they want endless religious conflict? Do Hindus want thekedars of Hinduism telling them, this is what you eat, this is what you drink, this is how you meet people, this is your relationship with other people should be? This is how many times you must go to a temple. This is the book you should read. Who are they? Hinduism is a way of life.